To create a sketch, you need a plane or a planar surface. Sometimes these planes don't exist already in your model, and you need to create one. In this lesson, we'll create a construction plane above our existing model. We will make sure that the steering wheel base plate component is active and rotate the model slightly in the canvas. Under the Construct panel, in the toolbar, we'll find the Offset plane. When we start the tool, we'll select the top face of our plane for the origin and use the arrow to drag the new plane above the part 1/2 inch. By rotating the model, you can see the plane represented above the component. We'll click OK to generate the construction plane. Now that we've created the plane, a new folder appears in the browser called Construction. Expanding it, you can see the new plane called Plane 1. It's a good practice to rename construction planes to keep track of the reason that they were created rather than having a series of construction planes whose only difference is the number. For now, I will minimize the construction folder, activate the top level of the design, and see that the plane is still visible even when I'm not editing the component it was created in. We can go to the browser at any time and turn off the construction plane. Then we'll save the file.